I'm Jonathan Scott. I'm in beautiful New York City for the Unwrap a Jaguar event. I'm doing something nobody's ever done before. I'm creating a moving holiday window. I've transformed a double-decker bus, and it is going to showcase Jaguar's E-PACE. This is going to be incredible. Seeing all the beautiful holiday windows, it's almost like a snapshot of my childhood. I have renovated hundreds and hundreds of houses. I have never renovated a double-decker bus. If somebody was just outside our window taking a picture, that warmth that they would see within our home, that's what I wanted to capture. Snow, fairy lights, ornaments, elevates it to a sophisticated level. Garland, holly, and berries, that is quintessentially what I see at the holidays. Gift wrapping is not meant to be saved. You are supposed to be vicious and ferocious and get to what's inside. Brick brings the warmth of a fireplace. Growing up, we always had tartan ribbon around the presents. That just takes me right back to the fondest memories I have. Somebody's gonna have a chance to unwrap their own Jaguar. Stay tuned on Jaguar USA social channels, because on December 11th, we have a huge reveal.